Hey guys, we are in our final week and I just wanted to talk with you a little bit about your writing. So you'll notice your discussion grades have been posted pretty quickly after you make the posts. So be sure to review those. If you are unsure about why your grades are what they are, please reach out. A lot of times I'm seeing grammar errors, capitalization errors, lack of citations, no outside resources, failure to explain the so what. Why does it matter? I'm not looking for you to just, redefine what's in the text. I'm looking for some analysis. So if you're just unsure of how to improve your grades, please let me know. The bar gets set a little bit higher in your next class, and so I want you to be prepared for that. This week you are writing your first paper for the program, so please make sure that you're following that meal format that I shared earlier in the term. It's a really good strategy, and one way to make sure that you're following that strategy is to start with an outline. So instead of just starting to write whatever comes to mind, make an outline, organize your thoughts, and then fill in that outline with the content. If you have questions or you need help, please let me know, and have a great week, guys.